now to harvest a few of these flowers for home. And these are beautiful. That is beautiful. All of them are beautiful. Many alternatives of sowing seeds to sowing seeds, and one of them is just using the paper strips embedded with seeds. And this is a lettuce sativa, perennial tender round lettuce. Round lettuce is called, and I bought it I think from Lidl. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going now to sow it. This is the way the seed looks. It's like a toilet tissue that is having some seeds in it. And now I'm going to put it on the soil. I will show you when I've done. Okay, this seed was an old seed from an old seed packet. So expiry was 2015, so I'm just doing it. If it didn't grow, anyway, I've not lost much, just one row. But to be sure, I'll put 2 of this here, and let's see what happens. I may just add another one. Yeah, I've added 4 rows of this now, so hopefully at least some of them grow and germinate. We will see. It's a good time of the year, why not? So I have now laid down the round lettuce seeds strips, and I'm watering them again just to make sure there is a good contact between the soil and the seeds. That's it. We now let the nature take its course. Beasley Horticultural Society.